Hey everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade. And guess what? My celery has started to sprout. Now, before we take off the plastic, I want to make a little note here. You can see that I have a blue heating pad. I set this up because I'm down in my basement and my basement is chillier, and because the seeds are just starting to germinate, I want to make sure that my soil here stays warm. Now, these were in my son's room and it was warm in my son's room. Remember, I said that celery likes to germinate in a warm place. So I am using the heating pad here, and I'm going to keep the heating pad on until I feel comfortable that most of my seeds have germinated. So Orion here, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Hey buddy. So let's get the plastic off here. So with the plastic, I do like to reuse the plastic as much as possible for my next plants. So I just kind of put it to the side, dry it out, and store it. So as he continues to do this, you can see right here that there is a tiny little sprout right there. Okay, so when you're looking here, I see a sprout here, there, one over there, another one there, another one there. So they're really coming, they're really sprouting, and it is critical that the soil stays warm. And this is why I want the heating pad still warming the dirt so they don't stall in their germination. Now, as you can see, this one here, it's kind of hard to tell, but there's another sprout right there. Okay, this one here, there's not near as much. But this one here, I mean, there's one right there, and there's one right here. He must have really woke up and really wanted to spread out his leaves, because he's already, he's the first one, hey, it looks like. There's a couple more right here. There's just a whole bunch. So right now, it's really critical, depending on where you have your grow light set up, or if you're in a sunny window, is to keep the soil moist, keep it warm, and make sure that you have a grow light. Now, I am using here the BP 1000. It is 18 inches above. It's LED grow light. It's sleek in design, and I just love them. They work awesome. And if you're interested in Bloom Plus's grow lights, there will be links in the description box below. So with that being said, that's all you need to do right now, is literally watch them germinate, watch them grow, keep them moist. I wouldn't use a watering can. I would use a spray bottle on top just to keep it moist like this. Do that every morning and they won't dry out. Once they germinate and get a little bigger, I will make another video on that. Right now, if you have your plants in a sunny window, make sure that you're turning your containers. So in the morning, if the sun's coming this direction, your plants are going to grow towards the sun. In the afternoon, turn your pot the other way so your plants continue coming back to the equilibrium. It is highly important you do that if you're putting these in a sunny window. Underneath the grow light, you don't really need to do that, but if your containers are on the edge of where the light is, you may have to turn your containers just so you have the plants growing straight as well. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.